If you are planning to buy an electric pressure cooker but still confused about which model to choose, what size would be right, or whether you should go for one with Indian presets, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I will take you through a complete step-by-step guide where we'll discuss which cooker size is ideal for different family types, which brands you can rely on, and which models are trending as the top choices in India for 2025. Let's start with the most important factor: size. If you're living alone or with a partner, a 3-liter cooker will be just right. For a medium family of 4 to 6 members, a 6-liter cooker is perfect. And for large families or people who often cook during functions or gatherings, an 8-liter model is the most suitable. Next comes the inner pot material. Always try to go for stainless steel inner pots because they are durable, safe, and dishwasher friendly. Non-stick and anodized options are also available, but they are not as reliable in the long run. Another important point to check is whether the cooker has Indian preset menus. If you're new to cooking or prefer convenience, these presets make your life easier by allowing you to cook dishes like rice, dal, biryani, and rajma with just a button press. Of course, even if presets are missing, you can still cook the same dishes manually by setting the time and temperature. Then comes wattage. Higher wattage means faster heating and quicker cooking. Most 6-liter cookers come with around 1000 watts of power, which is why they're the most popular among Indian families. Now is actually the best time to buy one because during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale, you can grab electric pressure cookers at heavy discounts. And if you use card offers, you get an additional 10% discount on top of that. To save your time, I've already shortlisted the top 5 best electric pressure cookers in India for 2025, ranked based on features, build quality, and value for money. All direct Best Buy links are given in the description, so you can easily get them at the lowest price during the sale. At number 5, we have the Usha iChef electric pressure cooker. This model is designed especially for Indian families, with 1000 watts of power and a 6-liter capacity, making it perfect for daily use. It comes with 10 preset menus including dal, rice, pulao, and soup. The keep warm function can keep food hot for up to 24 hours, and the delay timer is great for busy schedules as it allows the cooker to start automatically at a set time. The stainless steel design, detachable cord, and safety features like pressure and temperature protection make it even more reliable. Priced at around 7,000 rupees, it also comes with a 2-year warranty and free home service. At number 4 is the NutriCook Smart Pot 2. This one truly lives up to its name because it's a 9-in-1 multifunctional cooker. With 1000 watts of power and a 6-liter capacity, it works perfectly for mid-sized families. You can use it as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pot, yogurt maker, soup maker, and food warmer. Its smart lid design automatically locks the pressure seal and allows one-touch steam release, making it much safer to use. With a durable stainless steel inner pot, LED display, and 9 safety features, this cooker is priced around 7,000 rupees and comes with 2 years of warranty. If you want something smart, multi-purpose, and safe, this one is a fantastic choice. At number 3, we have the WonderChef NutriPot electric pressure cooker. This one is perfect for people who want quick, healthy cooking with modern features. It has 7-in-1 functions, so you can use it as a pressure cooker, pan fryer, slow cooker, steamer, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and warmer. There are 18 preset functions that let you cook everything from biryani and soup to pasta and idli with just a button press. With its 3-liter capacity, it is best suited for couples or bachelors. The stainless steel inner pot ensures safe and hygienic cooking, and it comes with safety protections like temperature control and fail-safe design. This one is priced around 6,700 rupees and backed by a 2-year warranty, making it a smart investment for small households. At number 2 is the Agaro Imperial Electric Pressure Cooker, which is made for large families. It comes with a massive 8-liter stainless steel inner pot that can cook around 2 kilograms of raw rice at one go. It features 14 preset cooking functions covering everything from dal, rice, and soups to poultry, meat stews, porridge, and slow cooking. With adjustable pressure settings, a delay timer, and a keep warm function, it allows you to cook according to your schedule. The simple design comes with a backlit LCD display that shows cooking indicators clearly. Along with accessories like a rice spoon, soup spoon, measuring cup, and steamer basket, this cooker is priced around 9,400 rupees. It also offers a 1-year product warranty plus 5 years on the heating plate, which makes it an excellent deal in this range. And finally, at number 1 we have the Instant Pot Duo 321. one of the most popular electric pressure cookers in the world. It comes with a 6-liter stainless steel inner pot made of SS304 grade, which is sturdy and safe. This is a 7-in-1 multi-cooker, allowing you to pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, cook rice, make yogurt, and warm food all in one device. Its easy release steam switch ensures safe pressure release, and compared to traditional cooking methods, this one cooks up to 70% faster. Cleaning is also hassle-free since the inner pot is dishwasher safe. With more than 10 built-in safety features including overheat protection and a lid lock system, it is one of the safest cookers you can buy. Normally priced at 11,500 rupees, during the festival sale, you can get it for around 8,500 rupees plus additional discount on card offers. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, making it the best overall electric pressure cooker in India right now. So friends, this was my detailed guide on the top 5 best electric pressure cookers in India for 2025. I hope by now you have a clear idea of which model suits your family the best. Remember, all direct purchase links are provided in the description, and during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale, you'll get the best deals along with extra discounts through card offers. So don't miss this chance to shop smart. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Best Picks India and hit the bell icon, because we bring you honest, unfiltered and non-sponsored product reviews so you can make better buying decisions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.